Hi, this is Caroline from Nettle Gardens, and I just wanted to shoot a quick video to say thank you so much to everyone who's been concerned about my welfare and asked about the farm. I came and nearly everything was blown over, but I've just spent a good amount of time picking it all up. I don't think I've lost anything. It was probably a bit of a shock to them all, bless them, because nearly everything here is, well no, everything here is less than a year old. And the weather is really weird today. It's sunny now, but it looks like it's also going to rain. So just to say I am okay. The noise you can hear in the background, if you can hear it, is water running off the land. It's one of my prize pumpkins that I'm very pleased about, hopefully turning orange. My calendula. So as most of you know, I'm getting it all ready to ship. These are the fruit trees and bushes. And then I've just put all the herbs that are perennials into the horse pew beds because I thought it would keep them warmer whilst I decide what I'm doing. I am going to be moving the farm to Darlington near my sister and her family for a number of reasons. But I am now surrounded by, oh look at that beautiful sunshine on that. What I think is arnica, but I could be wrong. And I love this lemon verbena. So most of these things are going to be coming with me. I have yet to work out exactly what's coming and what's not. I'll definitely do it better than this next time because the weeds just totally took over. One of the great things is borage also took over. So I know I'm going to plant 1 or 2 plants next year and have a blue garden, which is fantastic. Anyway, yes, I mean, everything around me, as far as I can see, is flooded. So I was a bit grateful that this farm is actually on a hill, on the top of a hill. One of the downsides of that is, of course, the wind just blows ferociously up here. It is actually called Windy Gap. There's one of my butternut squash, which I am very excited about. But next time, I'm pretty sure, unless I have a lot of land, hugelkulturs I'm not going to do because, well, if I do them, I will do them with soil. I didn't have any soil this time, so everything is just planted in horse poop. Now these are strawberries. I believe I had 2 plants. I don't think I'm lying if I say that. I just put them in. My friend Sue Taylor, lovely lady, gave them to me, and I think this one and the hugelkultur over the way, look how many I can get. So I'm just going to be putting those into some form of a big pot to transport them so I can plant lots of strawberries next year. And then here is another butternut squash. That one needs to grow a little bit. I thought there were a few more, but anyway. And my asparagus, which are yellow-ish. And I don't know if that's because they've been moved or whatever, but I'll try and take them with me and see if they do well. These are the physalis, which I've made the decision I may well just take the... Oh look, there's another one sneaking in the physalis. Oh, that's a big one. Well done. One little plant there doing all these butternut squashes, amazing. But these physalis have still got flowers on. I think we're coming to the end of our warm days, and the physalis are not, like, they're tiny little green fruits instead of big orange ones. So yeah, like I said, I'm going to whittle them down to the top 10 and the rest will become compost. Thank you for feeding my lad. Yeah, because I just can't take everything with me. Hello, look how beautiful that is. Again, I think it may not be, there may not be enough sunshine left to get that to fruition, but next year I'll know better. So that's a cherry tree that's looking really sorry for itself, and most of these trees fell over, which was, or were blown over by the wind, which was a shame. But yeah, I'm gonna put them in the ground when I move, so hopefully next year they'll do a lot better. So yeah, so this is just an update. Well, I suppose you can see a bit of water lying around, but it really has been horrendous here. I'm so pleased with these. I mean, I know some of the lettuces have gone to seed, bless them. In fact, I might collect some seed, but some of them are still looking really yummy. And thank you, huge shout out to Tea Traders for taking my salad this year and helping me to learn how to sell to businesses. So that was a real blessing, and they're just such beautiful, lovely people anyway. So that's the farm and how it is today. It's looking a bit forlorn, I think, because I've been moving everything around and, you know, sort of consolidating, I think is the word I'll use for getting rid of things I don't want to take with me. But yeah, so there's a few things that I've done really, really well and I'm really proud of, and there's a few things that I've done really poorly. But everybody has been interested in my monkey puzzle trees. It's really funny. So definitely be growing some more of those next year. But I need to repot them. They have come to the end of that pot size, I imagine. Anyway, there you are. So just a very quick video from Caroline to tell you thank you so much for all your love and support over this year, and especially for asking how I am this weekend. I know some of my, some of the businesses and some of the people closer to the river have had horrendous weekends, and I'm very grateful that I'm not part of that. But anyway, hope you've had a good weekend. Thank you again to everyone who supported me, and watch this space. We will be packing up, I imagine, within the next 3 to 4 weeks. Okay, thanks a lot.